The Florida humidity. This hair, dusty. I've always wanted to try a keratin treatment. Might end badly, but I'm gonna try Gussi because Gussi's an at-home keratin treatment with what looks like a very easy two-step process. It has a squeaky clean priming shampoo, paraben-free, and smooth operator keratin treatment, formaldehyde-free. You need a pamphlet or something. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna try this out first. Okay, step 1 done. Now that I've washed it, it says I have to now treat it with this product, rinse it, and then lock it with a flat iron. It's only 2 steps and I'm already stressed. I hope I'm doing it right because, you know, I'm not one to look at instructions. I found the instructions. It does say your hair has to be like 100% dry. This flat iron for like at least 10 years. I have to lock it in. Lock it in. But like, this did what it said it was gonna do. No, like, this is great.